We are in Estevan, Saskatchewan at Sask Rentals and Repairs, your local Flaman dealer. I'm Travis Olver, one of the owners. We took over the Flaman Rentals dealer from Johnson Brothers Equipment. Calvin Johnson had been in it for about 20 years and had been servicing the customers in the Southeast, and we saw an opportunity to carry on the business. He was looking to retire. And that brings us to today. My experience with the Flaman group of companies, a great bunch of guys, right from start to finish, dealing with aftermarket, dealing with the purchase, Flaman Rentals acquisition has been seamless and a great support to our local business. The advantage of being a Flaman rental dealer is the Flaman names comes with a lot of history, a well-established business, a well-known name in the agriculture business, which was one of the reasons we wanted to be connected to that name.